how can you use the law of attraction in business? And somebody sent me a link to this article from Inc.com. You can go check it out yourself. And I just thought it was easier, rather than trying to write it out, to just comment on it. So you can make up your own mind. I don't know the author, so I have an opinion about it. So it's this, right? So there, in the article, there are 5 steps. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I want to look at this first one particularly. Know what you truly want. There's one question every business leader must answer. What do I truly want? You need to be specific about what you want so you can figure out how to get there. Now, figuring out how to get there, if you can figure out how to get there, why do you need the law of attraction anyway, is my question, because you're going to figure out how to get there. It seems to me that most people who are interested in the law of attraction or believe in it try to deploy it when we can't figure out how to get wherever it is we want to go. So, what do you truly want? Okay, well, let's dig into that a bit. So the example the author gives here, do you want to grow your business 20% by year end? Well, now that is a kind of business type goal, but you can't really attract 20% growth. It's not a thing. And it's a number, but there will be no emotional energy with that. What I would suggest is that if that's the business goal, and I understand that it could well be, that you dig deep into your own thinking and heart about what will that mean to me, to my family, to my colleagues, to my employees, whatever your situation is. What will it mean in terms of lifestyle, in terms of freedom, in terms of relief from maybe debt recovery, whatever? What would that mean? What will that mean in terms of our survival over the next 2, 3, 5 years? And what does that mean? You want to get the emotional hook, the emotional attachment. But figure out how to get there. It's underlined here. Now, here's the thing. When you start using the law of attraction, when you start using your mind to imagine outcomes that you want, the figuring out how to get there begins to take care of itself, because what you attract in the first instance is new ideas and new thoughts and new ways of delivering the outcome. And it's because you have those impulses that, had you stayed blocked, had you stayed negative, had you stayed saying, well, I don't think we can make it, we're never going to make 20% by the end of the year, we're doomed, that kind of thinking is pretty much guaranteed to be a self-fulfilling prophecy, because you're not going to take action on well, there won't be new ideas, because you'll keep telling yourself there can't be any new ideas. And even if, I don't know, some multi-billionaire sponsor walked into the office and said, I'll bail you out, you wouldn't hear it, because that would be your mindset. Law of attraction mostly works by letting go of the boxed-in thinking that we have about anything. And so I would honestly say that the key to this, knowing what you truly want, and I don't dispute the idea of the step, but I think the execution here has missed the mark, that what you truly want has to have a feeling with it. It's like, well, that would be nice, 20%, yeah, that'd be nice. But there's, right? Or even if it's like it's super, super, super duper important because you're desperate, desperation doesn't attract stuff either. So it's letting go. It's just allowing the possibility that 20% by year end, if that's your goal, is possible. You just don't know how yet. So you need to be specific about what you want, so you can allow the universe to figure out how to get you there. And it's like programming a sat nav or GPS, going to a place you've never been before, and let the thing direct you, right? So I hope that's helpful. Maybe we'll look at more of these in other videos, but it's really about letting go. Now, if you'd like more on this, I have a whole program about secrets of creative visualization, which if you click the link, if you're on YouTube, it'll be below this video. And just go and check that out, because if you're looking for ways to make yourself more successful, whether it's in business or in any area of life with the law of attraction, go check that out, because I have some answers there that are a bit different to the run-of-the-mill. So I'm Trevor Emdon. I'm an international success coach, author, law of attraction coach as well. And check that out. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll always be the first to know when there's another of these useful videos.